In this video, we're going to have a look at one of the most popular cars we sell at RiiRoo. The SL400 is really popular because it looks so lifelike and the styling and lines are so similar to the real thing. Today we're going to have a look at the Mercedes SL400 licensed ride-on car, which is one of our favourites. Not only is the styling and smooth lines so close to the real thing, you'll be surprised at the sheer attention to detail they have gone into when producing this classic. It's suitable for children between the ages of 3 and 5, but I must stress this can vary from child to child. As we take a look around the outside, you'll notice the Mercedes badge look exactly like the real thing. That's because this is a fully licensed version, which means we have the full blessing of Mercedes to use their branding. The great thing about the Mercedes is the fact that it has working front and back lights that make it look stunning at night. It has a black see-through windscreen and a full set of realistic alloy style wheels that also have the Mercedes branding, giving it that authentic look. If we take a closer look at the tyres, you'll notice the attention to detail of the tyre tread. Looking around the back of the car, you can't fail to notice the double exhaust. This really sets it off. The doors open and close and you can really tell the workmanship that's gone into making the experience for your child as lifelike as possible. As we take a look inside, you'll notice the safety seatbelts. These seatbelts come fitted with every ride-on car sold by RiiRoo, so rest assured your child will be completely and totally safe. It has one seat capacity, which means it's designed to seat one child. The dashboard lights up in blue and it's similar to the front and rear lights. It looks absolutely amazing in the dark. The car has forward and reverse gears, foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Now let's talk about the media player. Didn't know it had one? No? Then check this out. Not only does it have a USB input that allows you to use your own USB stick with MP3 music, but you also have the ability to turn the volume up and down and skip tracks. Now don't worry if you don't have any music. Every SL400 comes with a selection of tunes pre-installed so your child can bob along while they are driving. If you purchase one of our RiiRoo 8GB USB sticks, they're already pre-formatted for you to download your own tunes. It also comes with parental remote control that allows you to override the control of the car whenever you like. The charge time is approximately 6 to 8 hours to a full charge and a drive time of approximately 1 hour on a full charge. Just remember, this will vary depending on the type of use of the car. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a 3-pin charger. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, go to our website at RiiRoo.com where we offer a free 1-day delivery if you live in the UK, as long as you order before 1 PM.